Hello viewers, you are joining me at Auto Guangzhou 2023, and in this video let's check out all the electric monster with insane power. You see, the first Chinese car to break 1,000 horsepower boundary, well, it's the car behind me, it's the NIO EP9. But it is not road legal and they only produce 50 of them. However, after 6 years, the situation has changed. This is Zeekr Zer1 FRR, the cheapest 1,000 horsepower monster you can buy in China. It's just over 100 grand. But don't be fooled by the price tag. It actually got 4 motors, 1,265 horsepower, 280 kph of top speed, not to 100 in 2 seconds, and not to 200 in just 6 seconds. And this insane spec made Mr. An Conghui, CEO of Zeekr, say that no other car makers can build this in the next 5 years. And actually, it's tuned by my favorite Formula 1 driver, Kimi Räikkönen. And if I buy it now, I can get a delivery from himself. Wish I had the money. And interestingly, right after that remark from Zeekr, Hiphi responded with 1,305 horsepower and 300 kph of top speed. This is a Hiphi A, an even sportier version of the futuristic Hiphi Zer. From the outside, it appears to be more extreme than the Zeekr Zer1 FRR. It has this extravagant body kit, aggressive aero design, and huge rear wing. You can even see materials like forged carbon fiber, nano ceramics, and TC4 titanium. But it looks like this one is far from ready because it won't be available until Q1 2025. And it's actually a co-branded version with this, the not very famous but very capable German supercar maker, Apollo. Zeekr and Hiphi are more like modified family saloon, but this one is a proper supercar that has more than 1,000 horsepower. And you wouldn't believe it, it's actually from BYD, Uni. After seeing the first two so-called family sedan, this 1,100 horsepower seemed not that impressive, but the Uni as a proper Chinese supercar was having all the attentions. There are rumors that it can do 0 to 100 around 2 seconds, reach 368 kph, and can get a faster lap time than the Ferrari SF90. But in the end, these are just rumors. We will have to wait till next year to see its real performance. And you can tell that BYD is getting very serious, because they just built a carbon fiber monocoque for the Uni, yeah, over there. Here comes the final one. This is the Hyper SSR, and it's from Guangzhou. Yes, the very same Guangzhou that Jeremy Clarkson mentioned in Top Gear. You see, 10 years ago they're making things like that, and now they're making things like this. This is another Chinese electric supercar with 3 motors, 1,224 horsepower, and can do 0 to 100 in just 1.9 seconds. More importantly, this one was claimed to be 100% made in China. Even parts like stick tires and carbon ceramic brakes are developed with Comac that built China's first large airliner, the C919. Considering that the NIO EP9 is not road legal and Zer1 Uni is not officially released yet, this Hyper SSR is now China's first mass-produced supercar. But actually, this one is not that capable as the others because the top speed is only 250 plus kph. But well, it's a start. After seeing so many big numbers, you might ask, why this much power? Well, it's simple, because they can. The technological breakthrough in electric motors in China have already made this kind of speed and power possible and cheap. Just one single motor can achieve 20,000 plus RPM, 250 plus kph, and 300 plus horsepower. And they all have 3 or even 4 of them. And that is what we call the speed and power of China. But actually, none of the above is the most powerful car today. Behold, the Lotus Evija with over 2,000 horsepower. And it's also Chinese, sort of.